Hey, Years of Master fans, we're back today, and it's too cold in the garage workshop, so we're in the pending rebrand office here today, and got another unpackage. I have not bought football cards in a long time, so I got one of these 30 card blisters from Panini, Prestige 2024. So we're going to crack it open and see what we get. Now, again, have not gotten football in, it seems like, forever, so I don't know if there's any kind of chase with these Panini blisters or anything like that. Obviously, there are a few probably more desirable cards than others. I always hope, of course, to get some Packers, but we'll see what we get. So we got Cleveland Browns Nick Chubb, Baltimore Ravens Kyle Hamilton, Cowboys Michael Irvin. That's pretty cool. Bryce Young, Jamar Gibbs, Montez Sweat, Algier, this one's upside down, Gus Edwards, got a Tyree Wilson, Lemire White, Nick Bolton, Travis Kelce. Okay. Trayvon Walker, I think. Got a Baker. Looking at Leonard Williams, Gino, Christian McCaffrey. This one we'll have to get off to our good buddy from Pending Rebrand, Gold Rush. Got Jerome Bettis. Nice to see the bus in 2024. Jalen Warren, Jake Elliott, and from the Commanders, Jaden Daniels. Looks like a rookie. Chris Jenkins, Dwayne Carter, Edgerrin Cooper. Got a Packer rookie. And we've got a foil Ken Anderson. Got a foil Jalen Warren. And Any Given Sunday. Bijan Robinson. Not real thrilled about the score there. I saw that game. Eric Dickerson. Well, for the record there, 2105 rushing yards and 84. We've got a CeeDee Lamb, Prestigious Pros. And our powerhouse foil is a DK Metcalf. There you have it. Again, don't know much about these blisters, but if you know more, drop me a comment.